Continuing the interior of the 1965 sedan restoration, German square weave carpet installation, and as you can see, I have the carpet now taut under this lip here. This is now holding the carpet in place, as you can see. Okay, you could use yourself, get yourself a rubber mallet. I actually wrapped the mallet either in a rag or a clean bag, and then you're just gonna bump it like this along the hole down here. You don't have to slam it, you don't have to do it too hard. You don't want to crack or chip the paint. Freshly painted bugs, many times when they start banging this down, they start actually chipping the paint. So it might be a good idea to maybe put a rag on top of this, maybe even a block of wood, and then you can hammer it down or even just push it down. It doesn't take much effort to bend this down to hold this carpet in place. Once it's in place, you got this piece here is all lined up, and we got to make sure this corner does not interfere with the seat rail, and then you just glue this over. Dry on dry, like I said last time.